It's September 29th. And she's gone wild again. Are you jumping? Madison. Check out her legs. Hi! Are you jumping? Madison. Are you twisting? She gets excited and does this huff and puffing. It's fun. Big girls! Big girls! Hi! What you doing? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.